Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energy, guys. These are for your daily energies, Scorpios. For your career situation and relationship, we'll be picking few more cards from another deck. This is for your career situation, guys, and one more card for your relationship. This is for your relationship, and one card from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. This is the card. We leave it here. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Scorpios. For your daily energy first. Two of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are waiting for certain things to come towards you, or you are just taking a break. Maybe it may be a holiday that you are taking, or a break from certain responsibilities. It may be something relating to your work situation or personal life situation. So you have reached this state, you have made a few achievements till now, and you are looking forward to your future, trying to assess the path you need to take for yourself in future, and your next plan of action. So you have that something planned out in your mind for your future, and maybe for some of you, your position today, maybe your status or your financial position, or it may be your social status. It may hold certain power, and you may feel intoxicated because of your position today. But you should not forget your place, Scorpios. That is also what I see here. It may be your energy, or it may be your person's energy. So they are feeling too proud, or they are boasting their success today. But you need to be really humble. That is what I see here. You should not have that arrogance because of your success, and you are ready to maybe you may see some offers coming your way. It may be in your career or in personal life. It may also mean a new person coming towards you. You may share a better understanding, love and intimacy with this person, or it may be a business collaboration that you are progressing to. So something positive is happening today, Scorpios. That is what I see with these cards for your daily energies, guys. And what is the card for your career situation? Call. So with this card in your situation today, it just means that you know what is your true purpose, and your goals and aspirations, whatever you have to discern the path you need to take, and in whatever way that you want to progress in life, It is through your actions, and you know what you need to do, and you are thinking about it, and to reach that true success, you are thinking within yourself what gives you that great satisfaction, and maybe you are thinking of something that is truly satisfying and brings out that talents that you have in yourself. So something that is challenging, it may be using your skills, and you want to progress in that path in your career. That is what I see with this card for your career situation, Scorpios. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. The Hierophant. With this card here, guys, for your relationship, whatever your strengths are or your weakness is, you are able to find that balance. That is what I see with this card. And I see that you are committed, firmly committed to this person, heart and soul, and or they are having this energy towards you guys. They have this feeling of responsibility, respect, and that commitment towards you, and that is what I see. And you have that deep bond with this person. It may be a spiritual bond, maybe this person is your karmic connection. That may be the reason of this deep connection you may feel with this person. And you have that balance in your situation and harmony. Whatever, you may even have some stressful situations in your relationship, guys, but you are still able to find that harmony with this person in this connection. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Scorpios. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance. Yang. So this card stands for action, and it means that you have to jump into action today. Maybe you were waiting for the right time in your relationship to propose to this person or take this relationship forward towards marriage or engagement, and it is time you make that first move. So this card stands for action, and whatever actions you take up, that will go and that will end successfully, guys. So that is the energy with this card. Same way in your career situation also, whatever you have planned for yourself, you should not wait. This is the time to make things happen. So you have to jump into action right away, and prosperity is waiting for you. So that is what is the reading with this card for your oracle guidance, guys. So you can make the first move, Scorpios, and make things happen for you in the way you like, or the way you have wished for yourself. And that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.